Hi, this is King of Review. Solve the following inequalities. X over 5 minus x minus 5 over 4 is greater than 1, and 0.4 times x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0.3 times x minus 1. Let's start by solving the first inequality. We have x over 5 minus x minus 5 over 4 is greater than 1. Let's start by multiplying everything by the LCD. The LCD here is 20. So we'll multiply the left side of our equation by 20 and the right side by 20. So we have 20 times x over 5 minus x minus 5 over 4 is greater than 20 times 1. We'll distribute this 20 to each item within the parentheses. When we do that, we get 4x minus 5x plus 25 is greater than 20. Now simplifying the left-hand side, we get negative x plus 25 is greater than 20. We'll subtract a 25 on both sides. This gives us negative x is greater than negative 5. And when we divide by a negative 1 on both sides, since we're dividing by a negative number, it will switch our inequality sign. So we have x is less than 5. So this is the inequality for the first one. And now for our second inequality, we have 0.4 times x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0.3 times x minus 1. We'll distribute the 0.4 to both items, and we'll distribute the 0.3 to both items within our parentheses. So this gives us 0.4x minus 0.8 is less than or equal to 0.3x minus 0.3. Next, we'll add the 0.8 on both sides. This gives us 0.4x is less than or equal to 0.3x plus 0.5. And now we'll minus the 0.3 on both sides, minus 0.3x on both sides, and we're left with 0.1x is less than or equal to 0.5. And when we divide by 0.1 on both sides, we're left with x is less than or equal to 5. So this is our second inequality. So let's graph these on a number line. So for our first inequality, x is less than 5. If 0 is here and here's 5, we have an open circle at 5, and our arrow's pointing to the left. And for our second inequality, we'll graph that on our second number line. So x is less than or equal to 5. We have a closed circle at 5, and our arrow is pointing to the left. So where do these two inequalities intersect? They intersect at x is less than 5. So x is less than 5 is the intersection of both of these inequalities. Letter A is correct. Thanks for watching.